Hello again, everybody. Welcome back for today's puzzle. Again, we're going to continue on with this Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There's a link in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do get a small commission if you were to buy it. Alright, so looks like today we're doing puzzle number 53. Let's see where we want to start. How about this box? Looks like we're missing a 2 and a 5. There's a 5 there. So this is our 2, this is our 5. Can do this row here. We're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 5 there. So that has to be 2 or 4. Got nothing there, so 2, 4, 5. We've got a 4 here, so that could be a 2 or a 5. Let's see, let's look at this row next. Looks like we're missing a 1, 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 1 there. So 4, 6, 9. Got a 1 there, so 4, 6, 9. We've got a 1 and a 6 there, so 4, 9. And that means the only place our 1 can be for that row is right here. How about this row? We've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 5, 8, and 9. We've got 4, 8, and 9 there, so this has to be our 5. No help there, so 4, 8, or 9. 4 and 9 there, so this has to be our 8. And a 4 there, so this must be our 9, and there's our 4. So if we look at this column here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, so we're missing 5, 8, and 9. So we've got a 5 covering this box, so 8 or 9. A 9 covering this box, so 5, 8. And we've got 8 and 9 covered there, so this must be our 5. This has to be our 8, and this is our 9. For this row, it looks like we're missing a 3, a 4, and a 7. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is a 3. And a 4 here, so this is our 7. This is our 4. If we look at this box, we're missing a 1, a 3, and a 7. We've got a 7 there. So 1 or 3. We've got 1 and 7 there. So that makes this our 3, this our 1, and this our 7. For this box, looks like we're missing 2, 3, and 5. Can't be a 2, so 3 and 5. Also can't be a 2, so 3 and 5. And our 2 has to be here. So then we can get rid of this 2. If we look at this column, looks like we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got 2 here, so 5 or 7, and a 7 here, and a 5 there. So this has to be our 2, our 5, and our 7. That 5 makes this our 4, so this is our 2, and this is our 9. We can get rid of the 9s over here. For this column, looks like we're missing 3, 5, and 6. There's a 6 here, so 3, 5, and the 6 covering this box, so our 6 must be here. For this column, looks like we're missing 3 and 8. We don't have any help, so 3, 8, 3, 8. and finish out this box. Looks like we're missing a 2. For this column, looks like we're missing 1, 6, and 9. Got a 1 there, so 6, 9, a 1 there, and a 9 there. So this is our 6, this is our 9, this is our 1. If we look at this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, so we're missing 5 and 6. We don't have any help. 5, 6, 5, 6. And just to finish out this box then, it looks like we're also missing a 4, which can't be in this row, so it must be there. For this row, looks like we're missing a 3, a 5, and an 8. So we've got the 3 here, so 5, 8. We've got an 8 in this box, so 3 and 5. Right. For this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 there, so 5 and 9. And no help here, so 5, 8, 9. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 there. So this is our 9, this is our 7. That 9 makes this our 5, so this is our 6, 5, 8, 9. And the 6 means this is our 4, 6. This 8 means this is 3, 8. That 3 means 5, 3, 5, and 3. Well, there we go. We finished off today's puzzle. Thank you for joining me again. Please do remember to like and subscribe and hit that reminder bell so that you can catch all of these videos. Please leave any comments down below. I will respond to them as soon as I can. And thank you for joining.